keep on knocking, but you can't come in because some of these doors might not actually open. On this week's Texas To-Do List, I'm checking out the Tiny Door Art Exhibition in downtown McKinney.
McKinney Tiny Doors is a public art installation that helps to draw attention to our amazing, diverse, creative, and vibrant downtown square here in McKinney. When you stroll around the streets, both on and neighboring the square, you will find little treasures, little moments to pause and take a closer look, because doors like these are scattered around in businesses all over the place.
This permanent art installation of almost 90 doors are scattered all throughout downtown McKinney.
Some of them will be right there, calling your attention right away. Others, they're inviting you to take a closer look. You have to hunt a little bit, you have to find a little bit. We wanted that variety on purpose because we wanted people to feel motivated to keep looking, because there are so many.
This entire collection was made by local artists in the DFW area. And if you look closely, many of the doors have these tiny ornate details that mirror the business that they're attached to.
There are not any that are too alike, because each of the doors really do reflect the individual charm of the businesses. One of the delights for me as the artist coordinator was getting to connect with businesses and get their vision for what they wanted for their door, and then finding the perfect artist to pair them with. And so each of these doors really do embody the spirit of the business that they're connected to.
We have over 180 small businesses, which is one of the largest collections of small businesses in the state of Texas. We have all these amazing local artists and local talent as well. And marrying those two together is kind of like a dream project for McKinney Main Street.
Are you having trouble finding every door? Good news, they've got an app for that.
The first way is, try your luck, wander around, see what you can find. But if you're somebody who likes to work off of a list or a map, we're very lucky to be well supported by Visit McKinney, which is our local experience center. They have a map available. There's a QR code you can use to go directly to the website. You can actually follow a tour on their app. So yeah, you don't have to rely just on your eye.
Searching for these tiny doors is completely free of cost, and it's a great way to get the entire family moving.
It's interesting because I think people think kids first, but I have seen all the way up into 80-year-olds walking around as a group together trying to find them. I think it's an ageless piece of wonder. I think that there's magic in the art, there's magic in the creativity, there's magic in the square itself, and I think that defies any particular age.
There's also magic when you shop local, so I recommend taking some extra time to stop inside of a shop or two.
I would say expect to be surprised at the variety of small shops. None of them are chains, they're all unique, and you're gonna find something around the corner that will surprise you and just delight you.
For the Texas To-Do List, I'm Gabby Brewster.